magkano ang value ng medicines na binigay niyo to this particular patient.
Yes, Your
No?
Honor.
So, in this report, in your statement, you said, dated November 9, no? Na the documents that you submitted contain the names of the beneficiaries of the programs of the different programs of the Office of the Vice President, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
It contained the names and the details of these persons who received help from the Office of the Vice President.
That is correct, Your Honor.
And there were a lot of programs mentioned in the Office of the Vice President, di ba? And very good programs din. Parang namimigay din ng ayuda yung Office of the Vice President.
We provide assistance, Your Honor.
Yeah, kaya nga, in the form of an ayuda. Or
For
something.
use forms, Your Honor.
Right. Now, one of these is the medical assistance program, correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Another is the rice food bags.
Yes, Your
No?
Honor.
And sa sinabit ninyo na 2023 Budget Accountability Report, you indicated that there were about 977,615 beneficiaries of the different programs of the Vice President,
Yes, Your Honor.
most of which were the libreng sakay.
Yes, Your Honor.
How did you account for the libreng sakay in the first place? No? Did you count how many people rode the jeepneys?
Yes, Your Honor. We require the conductors to submit trip reports. So for every trip, they have a ticker as to the number of passengers that rode the bus, Your
So
Honor.
that is the bulk of the beneficiaries, no?
Yes,
Yung
Your Honor.
libreng sakay. Okay. Now, ang medical assistance, like, are you familiar with how the medical assistance are given by the Office of the Vice President?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you are. Is there a limitation as to how much one can get in terms of medical assistance?
We have a tier, Your Honor.
Tier,
And,
okay.
and it depends on the nature of the assistance
So,
being requested, Your Honor.
To determine the nature of the assistance needed, specifically the medical assistance, you would need to interview the patient or the person asking for medical assistance.
Yes, Your Honor.
So do you have in the employ of the Office of the Vice President social workers
Yes, Your Honor.
who does the interviewing?
Some social workers, Your Honor, but
Some
there
social
are
workers.
other employees who are non-social workers, Your Honor.
Okay, now the medical assistance is given in the form of cash or goods?
It's in the form of guarantee letters, Your Honor.
Guarantee letters to another government agency.
No, Your Honor. It can be a government hospital, but can also be private hospitals and pharmacies and other medical service providers, Your Honor.
So let me understand it. You give a guarantee letter to, example, patient A is asking for 10,000 pesos, and after interviewing, parang you find out that they are qualified to get this kind of amount. So you give a guarantee letter addressed to the hospital where he or she is being admitted, that the Office of the Vice President will pay for this amount or
Yes.
will cover this amount.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's correct, right?
Yes.
How about in terms of medicines or something like that?
We also give, for 2023, Your Honor, we provide the medicines, Your Honor. But
So
for-
actual medicines na.
yes, Your Honor.
So they give you parang prescriptions, and then ang ibabalik nyo sa kanila are actual medicines that they need.
Yes, Your Honor.
Wow. But then again, when you report this in your budget accountability report, you indicate how much or magkano ang value ng medicines na binigay nyo to this particular patient.
Yes, Your
No?
Honor.
So, in this report, you indicated that there were about 95,756 na nakatanggap ng medical assistance. Would that be a fair statement or an accurate statement, Attorney Sanchez?
Your Honor, can we see the presentation again, Your Honor? Sorry.
Table number 16, do we have a slide of the table number 16? Yung, yes, that one.
95,756, Your
Would
Honor.
that be correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So now, 95,756 ang binigyan nyo ng medical assistance, and the total amount given for medical assistance was about 998,279,054 pesos. It's almost 1 billion pesos. Would that also be correct?
I will confirm, Your Honor, if that amount includes the burial assistance.
Can anyone of the persons invited confirm the amount?
1,044,569,868.
That's for both medical and burial assistance. Well, anyway, from the documents that we got, it indicated na 998 lang dito ang